Okay, guys. Since I'm in football, we ordered some shoes for me. And they're black Nike ones, and they're the high football ones. Not the ones like this high, but like this high. And so my dad wanted me to make a video, so I didn't make it up. So let's get it open. Oh my god, so easy. Oh, it's so sad. See, it's Nike. Oh, so let's get this party started. So this is how they look, but I didn't expect them like this. You see, guys? Should I try it on? Okay. I would try it on, guys, because you told me so. Because I can see y'all through the window. I was like, oh my god, put it on, put it on, put it on. Okay, guys. What has happened right here? I put it on already. Oh, today I'm getting other ones. Some red ones that match the whole shirt, because we sell the shirt, and now I'll explain that later, okay? I'm just gonna put my other shoe on. Okay, and then I'll explain where I left off. After I put my two shoes on, I'm gonna go show my dad, but I'm not gonna pause it. I'm gonna leave it right there so y'all can see what I have on top of me. You see the Pikachu? Pikachu. Oh my god, is there a real Pikachu in here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I love horses, so, and rabbits, and they said maybe they could buy me one for my birthday. So here I have my shoes on already. See? Oh, and this is how it looks in the bottom. Dude, it looks legit, right? I'm gonna go show my dad and come back, okay? Okay, people? Okay. I'm gonna come back. Oh my god. Okay, I'm back. I'm back with my shoes, my Nike shoes right there. My dog is just laying on my butt right now. I'm dying. Come on, Roxy. Her name is Roxy, and look, she's the cutest dog in the whole entire world. What's her name? Roxy. What's her real name? Rat Terrier. Or should I say warm rat terrier? Should I do the wiggly worm? Well, that's the end. I feel peace of mind. And those are sad. Pieces of piece of mind. And those are time to find. Oh, I already got my horse outside. And it's not a pony, but it's the ponies that are not like horses. Horses have big. Ponies are like medium size. There's little, medium, and the horses are the big old ones. And this morning I just saw a video that was 6 years old. I was doing gymnastics on a horse, a pony one that I just told you right now. And there was 2 big ones that there was 4 brothers, and one was 6, 13, 16, and there was 6, 13, 16, and 8. And there was one that was a girl that was in the neighbor's house, and they invited her. And they were doing a bunch of gymnastics, and the 6th one was jumping on the floor, killing himself like me right now. Okay, now bye. Peace off. Dude. Peace, yo. Peace. Peace.